So we got a warm cup of water, bowl of water. It's me, Kayla, going out seeing my little brother, Kyle. So we're gonna go and do a video on my little brother. And here we go. Be very quiet. I'm gonna move some of this stuff. No, my dog is in here. No, he's waking up. He's waking up. No. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Really? Oh my gosh.
Don't play in the pee.
No. Oh my god.
Get off the pee.
Okay. The video's done. Get off.
Okay, that was our fail of peeing on the bed with the warm water.